Good evening, guys. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest analysis for this weekend of Saturday through Monday, February 18 to 20, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation Typhoon Preparedness Center. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today's Saturday until tomorrow Sunday, and we are still going to create GovSat for tomorrow Sunday because of a developing low pressure area. And just like we've said a couple of days ago, that a low pressure area will bring wet weather across Bicol Region and Visayas this weekend, and it's now happening. And right now, 99W is still less than 35% as we created this GovSat a while ago. But right now, as this evening progresses, it has been upgraded to medium chance. Okay, there's a possibility that it could become a tropical depression right after passing close to Bicol Region by Sunday evening or Monday. But it will start to move farther away from Luzon. But we are still eyeing for possible non-development of this system. Let's hope that it won't further intensify. And the trough, which is displaced more to the northwest, continues to bring on and off to continuous rainfall across eastern Visayas and the Bicol region and some other parts of central and western Visayas as well. And during the past 6 hours, moderate to heavy rainfall has been observed across the Bicol region, especially here in Naga City. And as I am speaking right now, the rainfall has stopped pouring, okay, but we expect on and off rainfall to continue till noontime tomorrow, Sunday, because based on the forecast, the rain bands, which is ahead of the center, will start to move away from Bicol once the center passes by close to Camarines or Catanduanes by tomorrow evening. Okay, and we are going to expect that forecast. Let's hope that no more heavy rainfall. But again, please take all necessary precautions, especially along low-lying areas of Bicol region and Visayas, for possible flooding, flash floods, and landslides, especially in hazard-prone areas. So please take all necessary precautions. This rain event is currently bringing rainfall, a 24-hour rainfall of between 50 to 150 millimeters, and it's not compared to the strong or the heavier rain event that happened last December 19 of last year. And this kind of rain event is just in the middle of the pack. Okay, so it's somewhere around 50 to 150 millimeters. Here in Naga City, it's already nearing 80 millimeters as we speak. We're going to show to you later the latest rainfall data from our station here in Naga City. And here you go. This is the LPA. Slightly elongated with its trough all around the periphery of this low pressure, and it's as of 5 p.m. This afternoon, it was around 245 kilometers east of Surigao, but for this evening it's likely to be over to the east of Giwan based on what we see on the latest satellite loop. Meanwhile, here across Luzon, the west of Luzon, okay, we'll have the surge of the northeast monsoon, including Batanes, and chilly conditions, and also moderate to strong winds of up to 40 or 50 kph in inland, while up to 60 kph over the coastal waters of Luzon. And this is one of the last blast of the northeast monsoon, since they will be staying until the middle or end of March. Okay, so it's just 1 month left before the Amihan will say, or will officially say, goodbye. So we are going to await the announcement of Pag-asa once we reach middle or the last week of March. Outside of PAR, we don't have any tropical disturbances except for 99W near equatorial trough to the south of eastern Micronesia, and a shear line here to the west, or I mean to the east of Guam. Okay, and we have two high pressure here, and the steering high pressure ridge, which cannot be seen on surface levels. It's around 10 to 20,000 feet. It pushes the low pressure towards the northwest. That's why by tomorrow evening it will be along the coastal waters of the Bicol region. And again, let's hope that it won't intensify into a tropical cyclone. Now let's take a look at the fast animation. So the LPA is somewhere here now, and then the possible movement is going this way, and it will track recurving to the north because of the weakness of the high pressure here and an approaching frontal system. So the bulk of the rainfall is starting to disperse over the Bicol region compared to a few hours ago, where continuous light, moderate to heavy rainfall were being felt across the Bicol region. But right now, here in Naga, it has stopped, but there are areas that are experiencing still heavy rainfall, especially in Visayas and southern Bicol. But we are now moving into the on and off scenario of this rainfall. Let's hope there will be no more continuous rainfall, but we cannot avoid that since the low pressure area is still hovering near Samar, and it will pass across Bicol by tomorrow afternoon or evening. Now here's the zoom in satellite animations. As you can see, that red blob, okay, that's the heaviest rainfall that can be felt by these provinces along the Bicol region and eastern Visayas. So between 4:30 p.m. until 9 p.m. we experience continuous rainfall. If we post this and move into the current situation, so this is now the 10:30 satellite still image, and as you can see, there's a slight opening of the there's a break on these clouds, and that's why the rainfall here in Naga and parts of Camarines Sur has stopped, but there is still some drizzles outside, light rain. And we have another heavy rainfall here over Partido District in Camarines Sur and Catanduanes, the whole island of Catanduanes. And it's likely that this rain band will move into Camarines Sur within the next couple of hours, so expect rainfall again. And again, please take all necessary precautions against possible flooding and landslides. Okay, and by tomorrow afternoon or evening, based on the computer models, the rainfall will begin to diminish across the Bicol region, and it will continue through Monday as this LPA is forecast to move towards the north, away from Bicol, beginning tomorrow evening. Okay, even though tomorrow evening it will be over the east of Bicol, the rain bands will be situated north of it, and could affect Metro Manila by tomorrow evening, and maybe in the afternoon as well, or morning of Sunday. So we shall see how thick the cloudiness of this LPA will continue to prevail. Okay, now let's take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days until Tuesday. So the LPA as of 11 p.m. is estimated to be here east of Siargao Islands. Okay, and tomorrow morning 8 a.m. it will be in the vicinity of the coastal waters of Borongan, eastern Samar. Tomorrow afternoon around 2 p.m. it will be over Albay Gulf, or very near the coastal waters of Catanduanes. So likely to become an active, actually it's already an active LPA, but based on the latest as of this evening. But no worries, it won't bring any strong winds. It's more of a rain event. Okay, and then tomorrow evening, Sunday, that LPA will start to accelerate more to the north, moving away from Catanduanes. So we will just have to wait for the next 24 hours before this LPA will start to move away from the Philippines, especially here in the Bicol region. So we still have the surge of the northeast monsoon affecting Luzon because of the high pressure there. That will be the forecast for tomorrow evening as the LPA starts to migrate towards the north. Monday morning, 8 a.m., LPA will accelerate and it's already to the east of Isabela or Cagayan. And it's likely to develop into a weak TD, but we can say that there's a possibility because of the circulation becoming better organized by Monday, but it will be on the brief. When we say brief, it will just stay for 24 hours as a TD, and it will weaken rapidly, as you can see here. By Tuesday, February 21, it will weaken once again into a low pressure area because of the cool dry air entering the circulation of LPA 99W. So by Tuesday, another surge of the monsoon will affect the coastal waters of Bicol Region, particularly Camarines provinces. So watch out for winds of 20 to 40 or even 50 kph. Gale warning will again be hoisted. And Tuesday afternoon or Tuesday evening, the LPA will start to dissipate as the continuing entrainment of cold air continues to infiltrate the circulation of 99W. So the monsoon is here to stay. If we move forward until next weekend, as you can see, it will start to weaken the monsoon on Thursday, Friday, and then by Saturday there will be another surge of monsoon approaching Luzon. Sunday it will slightly reach the Bicol region until Monday, which the monsoon will become stronger, affecting Bicol again on February 27 during the last few days or last couple of days of February. Okay, and then we will have to wait beginning March until the end of March, the remaining blast of the Amihan. So we are going to enter the hot dry season, but the effects of La Nina will continue until June. Okay, since La Nina will end this March, the effects will still be there until June because it's a climate phenomenon or climate condition. So this is not a weather condition. When we say tomorrow the storm is moving away, so weather conditions will improve. This kind of climate condition, when we say it's the end of a phenomenon like La Nina or El Nino, the effects will still proceed for 3 months or more. Okay, so we will have hot dry season, but there are rainfall or rain event in between weeks. Okay, so it depends what weather system will affect the country. Again, please take all necessary precautions, and then most likely by June to October we will be under neutral conditions, and it will coincide with the start of the wet season over the Philippine Islands because of the start of the southwest monsoon or habagat. So watch out for that. Now let's move now to the rain forecast. This is for this evening until Tuesday. Now, as we speak, this is the rainfall already moving across Camarines Norte. So the forecast of the European model is on the dot. You can see here the rainfall has stopped over Bicol. The red is no longer passing over our city. And Sunday morning, maybe some cloudy conditions over the Bicol region, and there's still some isolated showers that will be expected. But generally speaking, by Sunday evening, improving weather will be expected or is being forecast, and on Monday we could see some sunshine, but there is still some showers during midday, evening, because of the slight northerly winds. Okay, so let's move forward. Monday afternoon, some showers will still be expected across the Bicol region, and Tuesday Most likely we will be having some sunshine with passing showers in between, but based on what we see on this forecast, there will be lower chances of rain showers, so mostly sunshine will be expected on Tuesday. Monday there will be still some showers during the afternoon or evening. Okay. And Tuesday, you can see Mindanao will be bombarded with afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, as the island is located more to the equator, which is very much in the domain of the tropical thunderstorm weather. Okay, so that's the latest. Let's take a look now at our weather station here in Naga City. And this is the Typhoon 2000 headquarters weather station. And the rainfall right now is for the whole day is 77 millimeters. Not yet at 100 millimeters, but since the start of the rainfall, it's already a total of 121.2 millimeters. Okay, the winds blowing from the northwest. And it's currently at 13.2. This is the highest gust that we have recorded for today. If we change the weather station to, let me move this to Calabanga. Kamuning Calabanga, here you go. The rainfall is much higher at 111.8 millimeters. Okay, since they are more to the east near the slopes of Mount Isarug, so most likely there are some orographic precipitation wherein the air mass or the rainfall within the clouds coincide or hits the slopes of Isarug, so rainfall will be expected to be much higher over that area compared here over Naga City, since it's located more to the east near the slopes of Mount Isarug. Okay, so it's 111.8, so no rainfall right now. Let's hope it will remain that way, but there are the rain showers on and off in between for the next 24 hours. So there you go, that's the latest for this Saturday evening until Monday. And we will return probably on Monday to give you more updates on the weather. Watch out for our update for tomorrow, Sunday, the GraphSat. And you will be able to see where the LPA is located by tomorrow, Sunday. If it doesn't become an active LPA, we will be issuing another YouTube update. Again, this is Mike Padua saying good night. Stay safe always. Hope you have a good night, and thank you so much for watching our channel.